Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and save big on your annual streaming plan like Disney Plus? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So, for Black Friday 2025, Disney Plus offered big savings, notably the Disney Plus Hulu bundle with ads for just $4.99 per month for 12 months at a 61% discount, plus other deals like $199 for Disney Plus for a few months, or saving on the trio bundle with ESPN while the main event is over. Some post Black Friday deals continue into December with options like the $14.99 month Disney Plus, ESPN Plus, Hulu trio still available, allowing subscribers to get bundled saving on the popular streaming services. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.